today has been a very rainy day, so I decided to just stay in the house and clean and reorganize everything. So right now I'm in my toddler's bedroom. Both of my toddlers do share this room, but I do want to give a really quick disclaimer before anyone tries to judge me. Okay, if you don't have kids, you can't judge, but neither of my toddlers sleep in this room, surprisingly, because when we moved into this house, our intentions were 100% to have them sleeping in their own bedroom, but of course it didn't work out that way. We did attempt to get my 4-year-old comfortable with sleeping in here, but she slept in here for one night, and in the middle of the night she was like crying, so my toddlers and I still co-sleep. I've been co-sleeping with my girls since both of them were born, so we're pretty used to it now, and I do have a king size bed in my room, so we have the space, and it just, you know, it just works because, so it's kind of a combination of them not being ready to sleep in their own room and me not being ready for them to sleep in their own room, because I am still nursing my 1-year-old. She still breastfeeds like throughout the night, so it's just much easier for them to sleep with me. Anyways, I say all that to say, although their room is messy right now, it's not like they're sleeping in the mess. It's kind of just like one of those out of sight, out of mind things, because I hardly ever come up into this room. So when I do come up here is when I go ahead and clean everything up and just like reorganize. Although they don't sleep in here, all of their clothes are kept in here. A good amount of their toys are in here, so they will come up here and like play and like have their toys everywhere. My 4-year-old is really into dressing herself, so she comes up here every morning and she literally pulls out all of her clothes looking for something to wear. And I'm not gonna lie, it does aggravate me, but I'm really excited that she is interested in finding like our own sense of style. She loves dressing up, she loves clothes, so I like just letting her come up here and just like try on different clothes and put on whatever she wants for the day, whatever makes her happy, so that she can be like, you know, confident in what she's wearing. But it creates such a mess and she's not good at putting things back, which is something that I've been working on teaching her, and it has taught me a lot of patience, because she'll have it down one day, but then the next day she'll come up in here and forget to put everything back away, and then her and her little sister will come and play in here and leave all their toys out, and over time it just builds up into this complete mess that I'm responsible to clean up. Lucky me. So yeah, this is how I'm going to be spending my afternoon: organizing, cleaning, and resetting my toddler's bedroom. I thought this would be really fun and interesting to film and show you how I organize their bedroom, how I organize all of my toddler's clothes, and how I fit everything for 2 toddler girls into one little bedroom. And I'll kind of just let you know like the details of like where I got things from. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. And if you guys want to see more content like this, just let me know like what type of videos you prefer to see in the comments. I'm gonna try to make this like a really relaxing and therapeutic process for me. I actually made myself a hot cup of elderberry tea with a little bit of lemon. I didn't add any honey because I'm trying to like avoid all the sugars and everything. So I got my tea, I have my AirPods, so I'm just gonna put on some music and just start cleaning. I think I'm gonna start off with her closet first. Mostly everything that's on the floor is just clothes, so once I get that put away, half of the work will already be done. My 4-year-old actually wanted to help me clean her room, but I feel like it would just like take me longer having them in here because she's gonna get distracted and want to like play. So I sent both of them in the room with their nanny right now, so I'm gonna try to hurry up before I hear them trying to come out and come in here. And honestly, I'm happy I decided to film this because I feel like it's gonna make me actually get it done. So yeah, let's get started. And my music that I listen to right now is like so outdated. Like I don't listen to newly released music. I listen to music that I've known for years. Like when I'm cleaning and like resetting, relaxing, I'm not trying to discover music. I'm just trying to listen to something that I already know is gonna get me in the mood. So this is what I've gotten done so far. I kind of just like cleaned everything out of the closet, giving myself a clean base so that I can start putting everything off the floor. I just did like a little reorganizing. I put this laundry basket right here. It was originally up here with a bunch of Nova's shoes in it. Those were just a bunch of shoes that I am going to keep, but Nova just can't fit them yet because they were passed down to her. And Nova tends to get a lot of hand-me-downs because she has a cousin that is 7 years old, which is my older sister's daughter. So usually whenever my sister has things that she's trying to like donate or give away, she'll ask me if I want them, and I usually just take them and wait for Nova to just like grow into it. So yeah, I took all of those shoes out of here and I put them into these smaller bins, and I'm gonna put those bins at the top of the closet. And then I kind of organized these clothes that I have hanging right here. So the clothes that I hang here are the clothes that they need to wear now. Clothes that are just like, you know, in season for me to just like grab whenever I'm looking for something for them to put on, or like when we're going out to dinner or something when they need to be a little bit more dressy. So I hang those clothes right here just so I don't forget about them. There have been times where I bought them cute outfits that I've like tucked away, forgot about, and then they outgrew them and never got to wear them. So I like to keep their in-season stylish clothes right up here in the front. This laundry basket with the cute floral design is from Temu. The shoe racks are from Temu. This laundry basket is also from Temu. And these dressers that I use to store their clothes are both from Amazon, but you can find them on Target, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. And then I have this basket down here, which I use to store a bunch of their toys. And I believe I found this basket about a year or two ago at Burlington. So now that I have their closets organized, I'm going to start putting the clothes off of the floor back into the closet. So I do have their closets separated. Over here is all of Isla's stuff. So here is what we're working with. By the way, this is all clean laundry. None of it's dirty. It just needs to be organized and put away. I'm literally having to stretch now because my back is killing me. I know it still looks like a mess, but it's an organized mess now. That pile of clothes over there needs to be donated, and I need to go through these shoes and see which shoes need to be donated. And then here are the clothes. All of these are for Isla and all of these are for Nova. And then I have this huge pile of clothes on the bed. This is all stuff that I want to hang up in the middle section of their closet. Most of the clothes were Nova's clothes because she's the main one that's in here every day pulling out all of her clothes, because most of Isla's clothes are just like still in her drawers. Alright, so up here at the top of their closet, I have these storage bins where I store like various things. These bins are from Temu as well. So in this one right here, I have shoes that used to be for Nova that she outgrew, and I'm saving them for Isla. And I'm going to go through it and pull out all the shoes that Isla should be able to fit now. So Isla is 21 months old now, and she fits a size 4, but they fit a little snug on her. So I've been pretty much letting her wear a size 5. So that's the size that I'm going to pull out of this bucket. I'm so happy that I decided to go through that because I found all of these shoes that Isla should be able to fit now. I just realized that these are actually a size 4. So Isla probably won't get a chance to wear these again. So I'm going to take those out and put these ones, which are a size 5, and I sometimes like for them to wear like boots with like skirts. Look who has joined me while I'm trying to clean their room. They come playing with their toys, pulling everything back out. So I'm pretty much finished with the closet. I just hung the last bit of clothes Now I'm about to finish up all the little things around the room. This is all the stuff that I'm going to be donating. I took out all of those white hangers, and I got these pink hangers from Amazon, and then I also got these little pant clips.
Mommy,
huh?
somebody was calling me. That was Lila.
Someone was calling you?
Yeah.
On that phone? Let me see your phone.
That was Lila on the phone.
Your cousin Nyla called you on this phone?
Yeah.
Decided to take a little break because Isla asked for a nursing session. I think it's so cute how she can ask for milk. Like, she will literally say, "Mommy, I want some milk." Whereas when Nova was her age, she was not like forming complete sentences enough to ask for milk. So hearing her ask for milk is always just like, it literally just always just shocks me. But Isla will be 2 years old in a few months, and it's just like, time has just flown by. I stopped nursing or breastfeeding Nova. Yeah, I stopped breastfeeding Nova when she made 2. So I only have like 3 to 4 more months of breastfeeding, and I'm just like, I cannot believe it because I've been breastfeeding for so long. When I got pregnant with Isla, I was still breastfeeding Nova. And so once I gave birth to Isla, I just continued on breastfeeding. So I've basically been breastfeeding since April of 2020. That's insane. Such a bittersweet moment because like these last 4 years, I felt like my body belonged to these babies. This whole time I've been like, I just can't wait to be done with it. Can't wait to just like do whatever I want, eat whatever I want, and you know, all that good stuff. At the same time, it's just like, I'm gonna miss this bond. So yeah, I really do cherish these moments, and I'm making it a point of mine to get more footage of me breastfeeding so that I can have like all these videos to look back on. Yeah?
Mommy,
yeah.
the floor is lava.
The floor is lava?
We need to jump on the pillow.
So the floor is lava and we need to jump on the pillow so we don't burn?
Yeah.
Wow, no. Mommy is cleaning up and you're making a mess. So we have this Montessori style bed in their room, which we thought would be great for if Isla was going to be sleeping here, then she can just crawl right out of bed. But the thing that I will say about this bed is it's so hard to make back up. Like, I literally have to like lift up the whole mattress. It's just a lot. I don't remember exactly where I purchased this bed from, but I will find the link to this bed and put it on like my link tree so that you guys can check it out if you want to. This is literally the hardest bed to make up. All right, so this is how their bed looks right now. I just put their throw blanket. Good night, Isla. Good night, Nova. This comforter has like a flower print. The entire theme of this room is just like flowers. And then we have all of these pillows right here, which I'm just going to put inside of their tent. I wanted to get rid of this like all together, but Nova still wants to keep it. Hey, Nova, should we take this tent down now? And are you still want to leave it up?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to leave it up and, you know, make it look a little bit nicer. Nova also has this mermaid tail blanket, so I'm just gonna put this on her bed. All right, so this little vanity area is the next area that we're gonna work on. It's just pretty much clearing up some of the trash, and there is a stool that goes to this vanity, one of their books that needs to be put back on their bookshelf, a random toy, and then up here we just have some trash, just water bottle needs to be thrown away, and some of their hair bows that I need to put away. All right, so pretty much the last thing I need to do is just organize this shelf right behind me, and then I need to vacuum, so I have the vacuum sitting out right here. The good thing is the top rows of this shelf, since the kids can't reach them, they're not messy, but all of the shelves that they can actually reach at the bottom need to be reorganized. Alright, so I'm pretty much done reorganizing these shelves, but I do have these paintings right here that I want to try and hang up. I'm thinking they should go like over on this wall right above her vanity. I also thought about that wall. Both of these paintings came from Big Lots, and I want to go get some more to go along with it. These were just the only two that I saw at that time. But you know how sometimes people have like art on the wall that's all like mix match and but still cohesive? That's what I'm trying to do. I'm finally finished. I couldn't figure out where I wanted to hang this picture frame, so I just set it here in the window for now. Look how clean your room is now.